We're going to do a little bit of review from the integer assessment that we had a few weeks back and get ready for the do-overs. So on number 1, we've got evaluate the problems below. Remember, evaluate means to solve the problem. So we've got -5 minus -9. Well, what we're really asking is how far apart is -5 from -9. How much bigger is -5 than -9? Well, it happens to be 4 bigger, but we can also do this by saying -5 plus +9. Okay, and now we've got, make that a better 9. So 5 plus -5 plus +9 means we are going to be +4. And that's true. -5 is 4 bigger than -9. The next one asks us to add 5 and -7. Well, adding 5 and -7 is like saying 5 minus 7, which is going to take us down. 5 of that 7 is going to take us down to 0, and then another 2 past it. So we can say equals -2. On this one, we got 7 plus -7. These are opposites of each other, which means they're going to completely cancel each other out to make nothing. -13 minus -13, we are simply saying we are subtracting the same thing from the same thing. Anytime you subtract the same thing from the same thing, we're 0. Another way to think of that is, how much bigger is -13 than -13? It ain't bigger, it ain't smaller, it's the same dang thing. Okay, let's take a look at number 2. In this question, a number of you answered the question, solved these problems, but forgot to decide which expression is the least. So, -5 plus -7 is a combination. You've got 5 negatives and 7 more negatives. We've got 12 negatives, or -12. Here we've got 5 positives and 7 positives. That's +12. Now we've got 5 positives minus 7 positives. We're taking 7 positives away from 5 positives. That means we're going to go right past 0 and down to -2. +5 minus -7 is the same as saying 5 plus +7. So that's +12 again. So now we have to ask ourselves which one of these is the least. The lowest number on this whole list is -12, so A is our answer.